हेलो एवरीवन। स्टैटिस्टिकल मैकेनिक्स के अंतर्गत आज हम डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ माइक्रो कैनोनिकल एसेंबल्स और ग्रैंड कैनोनिकल एसेंबल्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। सबसे पहले हम देखते हैं स्टैटिस्टिकल मैकेनिक्स क्या है। ब्रांच ऑफ फिजिक्स दैट कंबाइंस द प्रिंसिपल्स एंड procedures of statistics with the laws of the both classical and quantum mechanics, particularly with respect to the field of thermodynamics. It aims to predict and explain the measurable properties of macroscopic system on the basis of the properties and behavior of the microscopic constituents of those systems. Statistical mechanics interprets, for example, thermal energy as the energy of atomic particles in disordered states and temperature as a quantitative measure of how energy is shared among such particles. Statistical mechanics draws heavily on the laws of probability so that it does not concentrate on the behavior of every individual particle in a macroscopic substance, but on the average behavior of a large number of particles of the same kind. Ordinary mechanics only considers the behavior of a single state. Statistical mechanics introduce the statistical ensemble, which is a large collection of virtual independent copies of the system in various states. The statistical ensemble is a probability distribution over all possible states of the system. As is usual for probabilities, the ensembles can be interpreted in different ways. As a system is defined by the collection of a large number of particles, so the ensembles can be defined as a collection of or a number of microscopically identical but independent system. तो सबसे पहले तो हम इसके अंतर्गत असेंबल को डिफाइन करते हैं कि असेंबल क्या है और उसके बाद अलग अलग तरीके के असेंबल कौन कौन से होते हैं. एन असेंबल कैन बी टेकन टू रिप्रेजेंट द वेरियस पॉसिबल स्टेट्स दैट ए सिंगल सिस्टम कुड बी इन. The members of the ensemble can be understood as the states of the system in experiments repeated on independent systems which have been prepared in a similar but imperfectly controlled manner in the limit of an infinite number of trials. Three important thermodynamic ensembles were defined by Gibbs. First is microcanonical ensemble और NVE assemble. सबसे पहले इसकी डेफिनेशन देखते हैं. A statistical assemble where the total energy of the system and the number of particles in the system are each fixed to particular value. The system must remain totally isolated. Isolated means unable to exchange energy or particle with its environment in order to stay in statistical equilibrium. It is the collection of a large number of essentially independent systems having same energy E, volume V, and total number of particles N. The system of a microcanonical ensemble are separated by rigid, impermeable, and insulated walls such that the values of E, V, and N are not affected by the mutual pressure of other systems. Figure shows the ensemble for microcanonical system. Here all the borders are impermeable and insulated. Second is canonical ensemble or NVT ensemble. A statistical ensemble where the energy is not known exactly but the number of particles is fixed. In place of energy, the temperature is specified. The canonical ensemble is appropriate for describing a closed system which is in weak contact with a heat bath. In order to be in statistical equilibrium, the system must remain exactly or totally closed. Closed means unable to exchange particles with its environment and may come into weak thermal contact with other systems that are described by assembles with the same temperature. It is the collection of a large number of essentially independent systems having the same T, V and N. In this assemble, the systems are separated by rigid, impermeable but conducting walls. The outer walls of the assemble are perfectly insulated and impermeable though. Figure shows the diagram for canonical assemble. Here the borders in bold shade are both insulated and impermeable, while the borders in light shade are conducting and permeable. Last, we will study about grand canonical ensemble. An ensemble where neither the energy nor the particles number are fixed. In their place, the temperature and chemical potential are specified. It is appropriate for describing an open system. It is the collection of a large number of essentially independent systems having the same temperature T, volume V and chemical potential mu. The system of a grand canonical ensemble are separated by rigid, permeable and conducting walls. Figure shows the diagram for grand canonical ensemble. All the systems in this ensemble have same T, V and mu. Here inner borders are rigid, permeable and conducting, while outer borders are impermeable, border are impermeable as well as insulated. Next, we will discuss about chemical potential mu. Chemical potential mu क्या होता है? Energy that can be absorbed or released due to change of particles, number of the given species, example in a chemical reaction or phase transition. Particles tend to move from higher potential to lower potential. In this way, chemical potential is a generalization of potential in physics, such as gravitational potential. When a ball rolls down a hill, it is moving from a higher gravitational potential to a lower gravitational potential. In the same way, as molecules move, react, melt, dissolve, etc., they will always tend naturally to go from a higher chemical potential to lower one, changing the particle number. Thank you.